Today I'm sharing a Persian recipe that looks like autumn in a bowl. Apple and dried apricot with beef. So if you like rich, fruity and comforting meal, this one is just for you.
Hi everyone, salam. حالتون چطوره? That means how are you in Farsi?
I'm Rozina and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Persian comforting food. Apple and apricot stew with beef.
In Farsi it's called khoresh Sib-o-Gheysi.
Actually I'm making it oftentimes with beef or lamb, but if you are in a hurry, you can use chicken instead. This dish is inspired by my family's kitchen in Iran and it's a cozy Persian food. 2-star ingredients in this recipe are apples and dried apricots, which brings a perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess to this stew.
Just imagine tender beef and warming spices complete this simple and yet flavorful stew. You just need a few ingredients and no fancy equipment. Then you can recreate this delicious and comforting Persian stew in your kitchen at home. If you love Persian recipes and want to see more like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos.
Let me show you how I make it.
Let's get started and meet our characters. 3 or 4 fresh large apples, sweet and juicy, a taste of childhood. 100 gram dried apricots, golden and tangy, bringing Persian sunshine. 500 gram beef chunks, hearty and making every bite satisfying. Saffron, cinnamon, nutmeg, and turmeric aromatic spices. 1 large onion adds a gentle base. Lemon juice, honey, salt, and pepper for balance. Before browning the beef, peel and finely chop the onion. Then you can add the onion to the pan as you brown the beef. Turn the heat to medium and warm some oil in a pan. Add the finely chopped onion, then season with a pinch of salt and turmeric. Saute the onion gently until it becomes soft and translucent and releasing its sweet aroma. At this stage, I add the diced beef to the pot and begin to brown it along with the onions. The delicious aroma soon fills the kitchen and bringing back memories of cozy evenings spent at home. Keep stirring gently until the beef has a nice even brown color. Add 700 milliliters of boiling water, enough to cover the meat. Avoid using cold water as it can make the meat tough. Once the water comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low. Cover and let the beef simmer gently for 1 or 2 hours or until the meat is tender. Now it's time to prepare our apples carefully. First, peel off the skin gently using a peeler or a sharp knife. Then, carefully cut it in half from top to bottom. With a small knife, remove the core and seeds from each half. And next, slice it lengthwise into even slices. To keep our sliced apples from turning brown, grate some lemon peel and set it aside to add into stew later for extra fragrance. Then squeeze fresh lemon juice over the apple slices right after cutting them. The acidity of the lemon juice helps preserve their bright color and prevents them from browning. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan, then add sliced apples. Sprinkle honey or brown sugar and a dash of cinnamon over them. Saute the apples for 3 to 4 minutes until the apples soften but don't become mushy.
Our beef is cooked and tender. So now I'm adding dried apricots, lemon zest, and sauteed sliced apples to the stew. To add more color to the stew, I also include 2 tablespoons of liquid saffron along with 2 tablespoons of fried tomato paste. Gently mix all ingredients together. Reduce the heat, cover the pan, and let everything blend for 15 to 20 minutes. Our apple and apricot stew with beef is now ready. Rich in flavor, satisfying, and made from just a few simple ingredients. The fruits melt into the tender beef, and the sauce thickens beautifully, creating a comforting dish that feels like a warm hug. And there you have it. This is one of my favorite foods in the cold weather. Dish up this beautiful stew with Persian rice or fresh bread. Sprinkle with chopped nuts like almond flakes if you like. Share with family, gather around, and create memories. It's loaded with flavor, and you're going to notice this dish has a lot of sauce and it's juicy. So if you love Iranian comfort food or any comfort food, especially when it's so easy to make, you're going to end up making this one over and over for your family or in your parties in cold weather.
There is a nice and gentle contrast between sweetness and tanginess in this dish. It's really so good, very cozy and very delicious.
I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you want to learn how to make traditional Persian chicken and prawns stew, click over there. I will be with you. Thank you very kindly for spending time with me today, and see you in next one. Khudafez.